special place I know where we can go to watch a show. The actors dance, the actors sing, and that they do most anything. The puppet show, the puppet show. Let's all go, let's all go. The puppet show, the puppet show. We'll have so much fun. Puppets are like you and me, for they have powers you can't see. They can jump and they can fly and disappear before your eyes. The puppet show, the puppet show. Let's all go, let's all go. The puppet show, the puppet show. We'll have so much fun. We'll have so much fun.
Good morning, boys and girls. This is week 5 of Puppetry in the Parks. Today's wonderful show is called The Givingstone. And this is a puppet play that was written by Greg Loper. Would you please all give him a big hand? We hope you enjoy it.
One day, Farmer Gary was out in his fields picking rocks out of the ground and piling them up in a corner of a field.
Rocks, rocks, rocks. I don't ever think I will see the end of rocks. They are the gifts that keep on giving. Just when I think I have dug the last one out of my field, out pops another one.
Farmer Gary, rock on!
Yeah, rock on! We were at a party. Here life fell in the day. Someone reached in and grabbed it. What a rock,
See what I mean, folks? These rocks are driving me crazy. I wish my corn would pop like that. Well, better get back to work. These rocks are not gonna pick themselves. Dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum, dum-dee-dum-dee-dum-dee-dum. And the rock picking continues. I wish I could just give these rocks away.
Mister, what are you doing?
Picking rocks. They are the gift that keeps on giving.
Ooh, this one looks interesting. May I please have it? If it would not be too much trouble for you.
Well, you are such a polite girl and so nice and well-mannered and friendly. Sure, you can have that rock. It is perfect for a nice girl like you.
Thanks. Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum, dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. This is a wonderful rock. After I got it from that nice man, I have had such a great morning. I feel great, you know. He was right. I am a nice, polite, and friendly girl. What a great day.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi, Desi.
What is that?
It's a rock. I think it's magic.
Magic? What do you mean?
Well, this nice man gave it to me and told me that I am polite and well-mannered and friendly and nice. And ever since then, I have had a wonderful day.
That's amazing.
I know. I think he must be a scientist or a doctor or something.
A doctor?
Yes, definitely a doctor.
Do you think the special rock might help me? I've been feeling a little sad today, and I could use something to cheer me up.
Sure, here you go.
It's a nice rock, but I don't feel any different. Besides, it is your rock, not mine. You were so nice to give your special rock to me and so caring and kind. I really like you.
Hey, the rock worked. When you gave it back to me, it made me feel good.
So why did it work for you and not me?
I don't know. The only thing different about when you gave it to me was that you said something nice. How about I try that?
Okay.
Here you go. Here's the rock. You are my best friend, and you are fun to play games with, and you always try to cheer me up when I am sad.
Thanks, Lucy. I feel better.
I'm glad.
Do you mean you're not sad then now that I have the rock?
Nope, that doctor must have really known what he was doing when he gave me that stone.
Desi, time for lunch.
Coming! Thanks for the Givingstone, Lucy. It made me feel better. See you later. Bye, Desi. Bye, Lucy.
Hi, Desi. How was your morning?
It was great. Look what Lucy gave me.
What is it?
It's a Givingstone.
A Givingstone?
Yes, a Givingstone. A doctor that Lucy met gave it to her, and she gave it to me.
It looks just like a rock to me.
It might look like a rock, but look what happens when I give it to you. Here, Mom, I want you to have this Givingstone because you're my mom, and I love you, and you always make me great lunches and hug and kiss me and make me feel loved.
Aww. Aw, Desi, thank you. That is so sweet. I feel warm and happy all over.
See what I mean? That's the power of the Givingstone.
I'm going to take the Givingstone and put it up right here on my windowsill and keep it forever, right next to all of my other special rocks.
But what is great about the Givingstone is that you still feel good even after you give it to someone else.
And so rather than putting the Givingstone on her kitchen windowsill with all of her other special rocks, Desi's mom gave the Givingstone to her friend, Matilda, who in turn gave it to her friend, Sue, who gave it to her friend, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on.
Ooh, you are the best friend a monkey gal could ever have, Sue. I love how you swing from tree to tree. Oh, thank you, Matilda. I think highly of you as well. Ooh, ah, ah.
And soon, almost the entire town of Heightsville had received the Givingstone and passed it on to someone, making more and more people happy, until one day,
Hey, Lucy, I have the Givingstone and I want to give it to you. But I have the Givingstone and I wanted to give it to you.
Lucy and Desi were confused. How could they both have the Givingstone when there was only one Givingstone?
Huh?
Just then, Lucy had a brilliant idea.
Let's go ask the mayor. She'll know what to do.
Lucy and Desi were off to see the mayor.
We're off to see the mayor, the wonderful mayor of Heightsville. Mayor Liz, Mayor Liz.
What is it, Lucy and Desi?
Well, you see, I got the Givingstone from my brother and I wanted to give it to Lucy.
And I got the Givingstone from my sister, and I wanted to give it to Desi. So how can there be two Givingstones?
Good question. And there is only one person who will know which Givingstone is the real one. Let's go see the doctor.
That's psych music.
Dr. Givingstone, I presume?
What?
I said Dr. Givingstone, I presume? You are Dr. Givingstone, aren't you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Dr. Givingstone, don't you remember? You gave me this special Givingstone and made me feel all happy inside.
And then Lucy gave it to me, and soon the whole town was happy because of the Givingstone.
But now there are two Givingstones, and we don't know which one is the real Givingstone.
The Givingstone? Let me see those. Why, those are just rocks. And what is this Dr. Givingstone business? I am no doctor. I'm a farmer. Farmer Gary. And why, pray tell, do you think these rocks are so special?
It works like this. I give you the Givingstone, and then I say something nice to you. Like, because you gave me the Givingstone, the whole town is happier because of it. You made us all feel better, and you are the nicest man I know.
Oh, I see. I feel warm and happy inside. But Lucy, it isn't the rock. This rock is just a rock. I felt happy because you were nice to me. But if you want more rocks, I have piles and piles and piles of them. If more rocks will help, then you are welcome to take them.
Thank you, Dr. Givingstone.
Yes, thank you.
You are welcome, but please, call me Gary.
So Lucy, Desi, Farmer Gary, and Mayor Liz brought Givingstones to all of the townspeople. as a reminder to always tell people what you like about them.
The end.
Though I don't know why, I don't care what people say. Rock and roll is here to stay. We don't care what people say. Rock and roll is here to stay. Rock and roll will always be our ticket.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me, huh? We'll have some fun when the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. We're gonna rock, rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band falls down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock, rock around the clock tonight. Chimes ring 5, 6, and 7. We'll be riding 7th heaven. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock, rock around the clock tonight. When it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, I'll be going strong and so will you. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock, rock around the clock tonight.
Hi guys, it's Sue.
Hi, Sue.
Here's my joke for you today.
What's your joke for us today?
What kind of rock can fly?
I don't know.
A rocket.
Oh yeah, I know. I like it. I like it.
I've been tickled by almost everything. I've been tickled.
Hi, I'm Mayor Liz.
Hi, Mayor Liz.
Don't forget what to say. Don't forget.
And for being such a good audience, I'm going to give you all the key to a city, well, our city. Or a sucker. Take a second. What kind of magazine does a rock like to read? Rolling Stone!
Hi kids, it's Matilda.
Hi, Matilda.
My joke for you is, what is a rock's favorite music?
What?
Rock and roll!
Hi, kids.
Hi.
It's Desi.
Hi, Desi.
I have a joke for you.
What's your joke for us?
What does a rock want to be when it grows up?
What?
A rock star!
Make it good.
Hi, kids, it's Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
I have a joke for you.
What's your joke for us?
What is a rock's favorite ice cream?
What?
Rocky Road!
That's all, folks.
All right, you guys.
Hi.
All right, you guys, let's do it.
Hi, I'm Catherine. This is my third year of Puppet Wagon. I played the narrator and the puppet of Mayor Liz.
Hi, my name is Daniel. This is my third year of Puppet Wagon, and I was Farmer Gary and Matilda the Milky. Hi, my name is Caroline. I played Desi, and this is my second week of Puppet Wagon.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. This is my first week of Puppet Wagon, and I played Lucy.
Hi, my name is Sade. This is my second year of puppetry, and I played Desi's mom and the monkey, Sue.
Okay, doing something new.
Okay, instead of trivia in the park today, we're gonna do compliments in the park. Get it?
Explain it though.
Okay. We would like some of you to come up to the mic and pay a compliment to someone in the audience or anyone here. A compliment is something that makes someone feel good in place.
It's gotta be truthful too, though. We want it to be truthful, right?
Yep, and it has to be truthful. Like when Lucy gave the rock to Desi, she said she was the best friend of all and stuff. So if you have a best friend in the audience, say that to your best
Or
friend.
we have something special going on today, don't we, Sam?
Yes, we do.
So why don't we do that first?
Carolyn, you wanna take it?
And we have someone special.
Carolyn.
Danielle, you're the best
You gotta go up there. You gotta go up there. Yeah, she does the compliment.
Danielle, you're the best sister in the world, and happy birthday.
Did you get a treat? You guys, did you give her a treat? Hey, to you. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Danielle. Happy birthday to you. Sorry, Danielle. Woo! Who wants to do the next compliment?
Alright. Say your name.
Tatiana.
Nice and loud, honey. What is it?
Tatiana.
Sam is the best teacher, and I really like her as a friend.
Way to go, Sam. Good job.
I would like to say that Jake and Mac are doing a great job this summer, and that Dino Heights, you are the coolest kids I've ever known.
Oh, thanks, Daniel. I got some girls over there, maybe.
Izzy. My name is Izzy, and Becca, you're my best friend in the whole entire world.
Yay! Oh, nice.
Becca. I thank my dad for writing the puppet play.
Yay! Go get a sucker, Greg. Okay, well, let's do one more compliment.
And I get to say thank you to all you guys for doing such an awesome job of putting on the play.
Yay! All right, should we end it there? Okay, two more. Okay, two more.
You can go. Hello, my name is Sophia. And Khalees is the best friend I know.
You better go upstairs. What a nice day.
Alina is the best friend I know.
All right, you guys, that was very sweet. We'll do this again sometime. Thanks very much for coming out. We have 2 more weeks of puppetry, is that right? Yeah. After this, 2 more weeks of puppetry. So we'll see you. It's your last week. Oh. So we'll see everybody next week. Okay, thanks for coming, you guys.